Honda is developing an innovative jump control system for off-road motorcycles that is designed to give riders more safety and control during jumps. The technology has three main modes. Mode A completely prevents jumps, Mode B allows controlled jumps within predefined distances, and Mode C is designed for more extreme jumps. The CRF 450 Rally serves as a development platform, and depending on its success, the technology could also be used in production motorcycles such as the Africa Twin. Honda thus shows that they are aiming to improve the riding experience and safety in the off-road sector.